everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable Share My Location on iPhone using the Find My app. So this is perfect if you want to let friends, family, or your partner see your real-time location for safety or convenience. Let's get started. First, open the Find My app on your phone. Once you're inside, look at the bottom menu. So here you can see people, devices, items, and me. So tap on me. And once you do that, here you'll find the setting called My Location. And below that, you will see Share My Location. If it's turned off, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. So as you can see, mine is already turned on. If it's green, that means it's turned on. If it's gray, that means it's turned off. So just toggle it on just like that. Next, check the option that says Sharing From. So make sure it says this iPhone, especially if you have other Apple devices like an iPad or Mac. So this ensures your current device is the one sending your location. Now below the sharing from, here you will see location label. So tap on that and you can choose default, common, or custom. So choose whichever you like and click on the check mark at the top right. And now to actually share your location with someone, tap on the people tab at the bottom. Then tap start sharing location. Now type in the name, phone number, or Apple ID of the person you want to share your location with. Once you've selected the contact, tap on send. So tap on the blue check mark at the top right. Next, choose how long you want to share your location. So you can select for 1 hour, until end of the day, or indefinitely. Now, as soon as you choose one, your location will be sent instantly. So the person will receive a notification and will be able to see your live location in their Find My app. Now, quick tip, if location sharing isn't working, make sure your location services are turned on. So to check this, close Find My app and go to Settings. Now scroll down to Privacy and Security and tap on Location Services and make sure it is enabled. Then scroll down, Find My. Once you tap on Find My, here under Allow Location Access, so set it to while using the app or always if it's there. Also, make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi Fi or mobile data, since location sharing needs a connection. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.